An isolated single input multiple output DC to DC modular multilevel converter for fast electric vehicle charging.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is proposes an isolated single input multiple output (SIMO) DC to DC modular multilevel converter (MMC) for fast charging of multiple electric vehicles (EVs). The proposed topology provides galvanic isolation and facilitates a high voltage conversion ratio from medium voltage direct current (MVDC) to LVDC EV battery voltage levels via intermediate medium frequency transformer. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
In this project, the block diagram illustrates a proposed topology for EV charging. If the input is taken as DC grid, it will be connected as the sub-module arms. It will be converted DC to AC. The power supply pass through isolated transformers. It will be either step up or step down through the power continuously supplied through EV vehicles. MVAC grid side and several TL, 3-level DC-DC converters in the output side. In case of any short circuit fault in the output of DC to DC converter, the whole converter will stop working as the DC to DC converter will feed fault current to fault location. Also, the converter cannot operate in case of device failure in NPC. Topologies for EV charging are presented where 3-phase AC power is converted to EV battery level voltages and then continuously EV vehicles charging. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.